Hello students, good morning all of you. Student, in previous video I have solved some question of new chapter 5 whose name is fraction, and some questions are remaining in the first exercise of chapter 5. So first today I will solve the remaining question of exercise 5.1, and then after I will give the concept of type of fraction. So let's start exercise number 5.1. So in this question you all know about what is fraction. Fraction is a part of whole. First of all, you know all about what is fraction. Fraction is a part of whole, and a fraction can be expressed by a upon b, where a is called the numerator and b is called the denominator. Now question number 7, from question 1 to 7 have been finished. Now we are moving our next question, question number 8. Question number 8 is, in a class of out of 50 students, I am reading the question. In a class of out of 50 students, 15 students failed in mathematics. Find the fraction of students failed in mathematics, student passed in mathematics. So student, first of all, you have to find the number of passed student, who is number of passed student in mathematics. So given total number of students, is equal to 50. Number of failed students is equal to 15. Then number of passed students is equal to 50 minus 15, it means 35. Then you have to find the fraction. The students failed in mathematics. Fraction of students failed in mathematics. That is, so number of students in numerator, you are all know about what is how can we express the fraction, and a fraction can be expressed by a upon b, okay, and where a is called numerator and b is called denominator. So if you want to find the fraction of failed student, then in numerator you have to write 15 and in denominator you have to write 50. Now this can be also simplified in further way. Let me check that this answer is yes. R you have to write 15 upon 5 or 3 upon 10, because 15 upon 50 is equal to 5 3 the 50, 5 10 the 50. Okay, so the another answer of this question is 3 upon 10. Now fraction of students passed in mathematics. So number of passed students is 35 and number of failed students is 50, or you can say that 7 upon 10, because 35 on 50 is equal to 5 7 the 35, 5 10 the 50. So both the answer are correct. Okay. Now we are moving on next question. Question number 9. In question number 9, write the numbers 1 to 10. Write the fraction of the numbers. First of all, you have to write the numbers from 1 to 10. So, since numbers from 1 to 10 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So in these parts you have to find the fraction of odd number. Since odd numbers from 1 to 10 is equal to, student, odd number means the number which is divisible by which is not divisible by 2. So we can write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, these are called the odd numbers. That is, total number is 5. 5 numbers. Then fraction of odd numbers from 1 to 10 is equal to, number of odd number is 5, total number is 10, that is 1 upon 2. In the same way we can write even numbers. Even numbers from 1 to 10 are, it is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. That is 5 numbers. So number of even numbers from 1 to 10 are 5. Then fraction of even numbers from 1 to 10 is equal to 5 upon 10 or 1 upon 2. This is the answer. In the same way, you have to find the fraction of prime number. So first of all, you have to find the number of prime numbers from 1 to 10. C part is prime numbers from 1 to 10 are, so students, first of all you have to know about prime numbers. Prime numbers are that numbers which is divisible by 1 or itself. Okay, and prime number start from 2. ऐसे नंबर जो सिर्फ 1 और खुद से डिवाइड होते हैं उसे प्राइम नंबर कहते हैं, और प्राइम नंबर हमेशा 2 से स्टार्ट होते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसमें जो प्राइम नंबर होंगे वो क्या होंगे, 2, 3, 5, 7 होंगे. ओनली 4 numbers होंगे, because 8, 9, 10 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. That is 4 numbers. Okay. Then fraction of prime numbers from 1 to 10 are 4 upon 10 or 2 upon 5, because 2 to the 4, 2 5 that's 10. Now last, composite numbers from 1 to 10 are. So student, composite number are just opposite of prime number. A number which has more than two factors is called composite number, and the composite number starts from 4. So here composite number is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Hence, fraction of composite number from 1 to 10 are 5 upon 10 are 1 upon 2. This is the answer. Okay, so student, these are the answer. Five upon 10 or 1 upon 2. So student, before moving our next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now students, we are moving our another question. Question number 11 is, what fraction is 10 minutes of an hour? It means you have to find the fraction of 10 minutes of an hour. So first of all, you all know about how many minutes in an hour. So there are 60 minutes. So the solution of this question is, since in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, because you have to convert both the unit are same. So if you want to find the fraction of minute to hour, then first of all you have to convert both the units same. Okay, then fraction of 10 minutes of an hour or 60 minutes is equal to 10 upon 60 or 1 upon 6. Okay, because 10 upon 60 means 10 under 10, 10 60. So we can write 10 upon 60 as 1 upon 6. Okay, now students, this is the time to move the new concept, is the types of fraction. Types of so there are some different types of fraction are given in your syllabus. First type is proper fraction. Proper fraction means a fraction whose numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction. A fraction in which numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction. For example, 3 upon 5, 6 upon 7, 9 upon 11, etc. These are called the proper fraction, and improper fraction is just opposite of proper fraction, in which that is a fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. So we can write improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. For example, 5/3, you have to reverse this example, 11/9, etc. Okay, these are the just opposite of types of fraction. So here, before moving our next type of fraction, pause the video to note it down in your copy. I'll take a screenshot. Now student, we are moving on another type of fraction. So this one is like fraction. Fraction having the same denominator is called like fraction. Is called like fraction. For example, 7/8, 3/8, 5/8, etc. Okay, so these are called the example of like fraction, and unlike fraction is just opposite of like fraction. Fraction having the different denominator is called unlike fraction. For example, 3/11, 5/2, 6/7, etc. So students, these are called the example of unlike fraction. Now we are moving on another type of fraction, that is unique fraction. So in unique fraction, the numerator is always 1. So fraction having 1 as the, so students, unique means also 1. Okay, so fraction having 1 as the numerator is called unique fraction. For example, 1/7, 1/5, 1/11, etc. In unique fraction, numerator is always 1. Okay. Now we are moving another type of fraction, that is mixed fraction. If you have studied in previous class also, because these type are not for new. Okay, mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is a combination of mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. For example, we write 4 upon 7, 5 write 6 upon 11, etc. So students, mixed fraction is the part is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction, and in this concept you have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction, because improper fraction is always converted into mixed fraction. So if you want to find this improper fraction into improper fraction, then it is very easy. You have to multiply denominator by whole part, because this is called whole number and this is called proper fraction. Okay, so if you want to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then you have to multiply this whole number to denominator, that is 3 into 7, and you have to add the numerator, then we will get the improper fraction. 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 4, 25%. So this is improper fraction. Okay, so this is the process how can we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, and also improper fraction into mixed fraction. How can convert? Suppose 6 upon 5 is given, is the example of improper fraction. Then if you want to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, then you have to divide 6 by 5, 5 and 5, we get the remainder 1, then we can write 1, here 1 is the quotient and 1 it is as whole number part, here 1 is the remainder and 5 is the numerator and denominator. So this is the example of mixed fraction. Okay, so student, these are the types of fraction, and in next video I will solve the numeral problem of exercise 5.2, which is based on the types of fraction. Okay, so I hope you are all understand the numeral problem as well as the types of fraction also. Okay, so thank you very much for being with us.